Morning everybody, 10:15, 5 seconds, March 1st. This is mini number 1 for the Spider-Man 194. Just got a lot of things going on at the same time, so I'm sorry it took me a few minutes to get this thing up and running. So here are the 14 filled spots. Whoever comes in first gets the first 4 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second gets the next 2. Whoever comes in third, oh boy. Whoever comes in third gets the next open single spot. So, well, this is trying to close out. I'm going to roll the 3 dice. There we go. The number is 10. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here comes the final one. 10. Nam to win. Marco Bruzone. Nam to win. So Nam gets the first 4. Marco gets the next 2. Nam gets the next single. Time is just turned 10:16. 10:16. 4